little bit of purging. Then tighten it. Same time it's down. Turn the buckle upside down because it's 410. Turn off this for a moment. Right, so that line, ice is moving off of it quickly. Alright. Something letting out here. Ice is moving off this line quickly. Come on, the ice in. This. When I finish off the recheck, you can see, right here, you see how right here dirty. That's the oil. And so this one of these things need to tighten. You want to tighten it when I'm through. Alright. That's 110, 5, 10, 15. It's 115, 120, 120. This system in 410, 1.4 kilogram. That's 3 pounds approximately. Yeah, so that one and two, we'll have it stopped. You just drain the tank and done. Alright, so you see there's 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 23, 22, 21, 22. So it's 122, and that's a good pressure. The back is sweating nice. Yeah. Let it out to cold, condensating. Don't worry yourself. Okay. Well, this is an epic night job for the LG. Lost a little gas. Understand? Now I feel it and push out heat. Heat feel hotter now. Nicely. Yeah, something like feel the heat. Yeah. I make sure I carry a little more 410 in that. I just drain in this pan. I use it either to purchase more or just buy a new one. Then go for the soap bubbles. Ginger Lily, them will find me. I guess. You can see a little bit of no one down the high pressure on it. See a little bubble coming from the high pressure line. I don't know if you can see it. Right in the corner, you see this bubbling a little, and then shut off the unit, and then test. Right. But taking me back the gas because I forgot to turn it off. Okay, now that the pressure is rising, everything is equalizing. Let me just put my eyes on the ginger lilies, and then look, just as I thought, there's the bubble. There is the bubble. Are you seeing the bubble? There is the bubble. There's the bubble. Come, focus. Yes, there are bubbles coming out of right there. Right there. See? Focus. Right there. Okay. Yes. Okay. And as soon as you wash it away, it start to come back. See the white side? Yes. There are the bubbles. There is there bubbles. Bubble, bubble, bubble. See? Start to just form back immediately. Gonna see what's going on with this one. Not seeing anything for this. However, I want to tell you something. The two of them are leaking, and we can see a little bit of bubble coming up right in the corner there. See it? Wash it away again. Just look right into the corner. See it? See the bubbles? Two of them leaking. Alright, I'm going to adjust it now. Tighten. Okay, I just tighten. I'm going to now reset the lines and look. Reset the lines and look. This one still wants have a little bit of tightening.